I got about 30 honeysuckles, 4 ounces of company nectar, and 1 secret punter. Pretty decent for the 54th amount of time. I'm thinking on the next time I use this, I'm going to get a turpentine. If I do, I'll record that for you guys. See if I do get a turpentine. I probably will. But yeah, that's what happens when you use the turpentine for the 54th time. And yes, I am still on Bieber's course. Second to last, I think, until he has more. But the pain that I find is stick bug. Because you know, as a blue hive, damage is not so great. I'm telling you, damage is not great as a blue hive, so damage sucks so much unless you add digital and vicious in your hive, which does a little bit more help. But yeah, that's what happens when you use a samovar for the 54th time. You just get basic rewards. But I'm thinking for the next one I'll get a turpentine. But yeah, I will see you all next time for another bee swarm video, possibly a tip one. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you all later.